Hi, once again, welcome to Varenia's Photon Online Educational Academy. This is Guntuka Srinivas. This is a free online educational channel meant for 8th class standards to 12th class standards. In the previous session, we have seen the concepts of distance and displacement. Let us see some numericals on these concepts. Let us take up the first problem. The first problem here I take up. A man travels. A man travels in the following track. In the following track. The following track starts his journey. Starts his journey from point A and reaches the other side of the track. The other side of the track to the point B. Observe the problem carefully. What he says, a man is traveling. And he is starting his journey at the point A, reaching the other side of the track, finally reaches to the point B. Clear? Figure is given. In the problem, the figure is given. Now, this is the figure that quoted to us is this is the figure. This is point A. This is point B given in the figure and clearly mentioned. This is a semicircular shape. He mentioned the radius of this is R. The figure given, the radius of this is R. And the radius of this downside semicircle is also R given. Yeah. Now in this he is asking find what distance traveled. Number 2, displacement. Displacement is how much? These are the two things he's asking. Clear? Now, observe the problem. Man is starting his journey from the point A, initial point, and ending his journey to the final point B. This is initial position. This is B is final position. Clear? Now, how the man is going? Man is traveling from A, starting his journey from A. and slowly is going like this, going like this. Then is going like this, reaching the point B. Now, what is the first question he has asked? Distance to travel. What is the distance? What is the distance? Distance is nothing but completely the path length traveled. Path length. From A to completely is going in the semicircular path, having a radius R. Then again, downside semicircular path, having a radius R is going. So completely, this is the total distance traveled, E2. Clear? Now, year to year is pi r, because 2 pi r circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. This is pi r. Again, year to year is again pi r. Semicircular, circumferential. Okay, pi r plus pi r. Total distance is pi r plus pi r, 2 pi r. Clear? Now, here I am putting clearly mentioning. This is one, this is another. This is year to year, R, year to year, again, R. This is the point A, initial point. This is the point B. So here I am showing that first one, distance traveled. Distance traveled is this pi r. Pi r upper semicircular path length plus down semicircular path length pi r. So totally 2 pi. 2 pi r is the complete. Okay. Now the second what is asking? Second is displacement. Displacement. Now, what is the initial position? Initial position is, this is the initial position. A. What is the final position? B is the final position. What is the displacement? In the previous class, we studied that it is the shortest distance between the initial and final positions. Or other words, it is the length of the straight line joining the initial and final position. So initial position is this, final position is length of the straight line. This is the complete length of the straight line joined the initial to final position. So year to year, this is radius is r. So year to year, 2r, diameter is 2r. Year to year, 2r. Year to year again, 2r. Year to year again, 2r. Diameter is 2. So initial to final position, 2r plus 2r. 4r is the displacement. Magnitude, this is magnitude. What is the direction? Direction is from initial to final. So direction A to initial position, final position. Clear? This is answer for the first one. Let us take up the another question. That is second question. Let us take up. Two equilateral triangles are shown as the track in the following figure. Clear? A person starts his journey from A, to the other end of track, other end of track, other end of track B. He's asking, what is distance traveled? What is distance traveled? First question. Next is asking, what is displacement? Is displacement. Now the clarity. Two equilateral triangles are provided as shown in the figure. Figure is provided to us. And how the clarity? Person is starting from the position A, journey, and ending is position to the B. Clear? Now he is asking what is the distance as well as distance. Clear? Now the figure is provided. Here let us see the figure. This is a equilateral triangle. Clear? There is another equilateral triangle B. Okay. Now this is the initial point A. This is the final point B. Final point B. Okay. And he has clearly mentioned the side of this triangle is 2 meters. So equilateral, this is also 2 meters. The bigger triangle side is 3 meters. Bigger triangle side is 3 meters. This is the figure provided to you. Clear? Now observe in the figure how the person is moving. The person is moving from the A. A is initial point. A is initial. B is final point. So person is moving from starting from A, slowly is moving like this, reaching the peak, then going down. Again, then going up, then coming down, reaching B. This is the path traveled by the person. Now first, what is asking? Is asking, first one is distance. Distance traveled. Distance. What is distance traveled? Path length. Path length. From initial to final position. What is this path length? Year to year, 2 meters. Year to year, 2 meters. Okay. Year to year, 3 meters. Year to year, 3 meters. So completely it will become 2 meters plus 2 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter plus 3 meter, 3 meter plus 3 meter. So 4 plus 6, 10 meters. This is the distance from. Clear? Observe. Now he is asking in the second question, what is the displacement? Second is displacement. Displacement. What is the displacement? Shortest distance between initial and final positions, or simply it is the length of the straight line joining the initial and final position. So initial position is this, slowly up to the final position. So this A to B, the displacement. Now what is this? It is since it is an equilateral triangle, this side becomes also same length, 2 meters. And this side is also equal to triangle, bigger size, 3 meters. Same. Clear? Now, completely 2 plus 3. 2 meters plus 3 meters. 5 meter is the displacement. Shortest distance from here to here. So, what is the direction? Direction is direction from initial position to final position. A to B. A to B. AB bar is the displacement. Okay. Always remember in the equilateral triangle, the angle is always 60 degrees. This is 60, this is 60, this is 60. Total angle sum is 180. Similarly, in this also 60, 60, 60. You can easily from the fundamentals 2 meters, 3 meters. Clear? Hope you have understood the problem very well. Solve the problems, take up some problem, solve at home. Okay. I stop here only. If you like the video, please share it and share with your friends. Like it, subscribe the channel, encourage this channel. This is a free educational channel. Clear? And in this channel, slowly we go from the fundamentals to the advanced levels. First, you have to be very careful with the concepts. If you have a good clarity over the concepts, definitely you can solve any type of the problem. Please subscribe it, like the channel. Thank you very much for your patient listening.